How to make money online in 3 minutes or less, part 3. Hey, what's up guys, this is Art from artofmarketingblog.com. Welcome back to the How to Make Money Online in 3 minutes or less series. This is part 3 and today I'm going to show you how to make up to $60 every 20 minutes. So it's pretty cool. But before we're gonna jump into the content of this video, please like this video, subscribe to this channel of mine, click on the bell for notifications, and if you have any questions, leave me a comment, or maybe you just want to say hi, I will definitely answer. And please check out the first link in the description of this video if you want me to take you by the hand and show you exactly how to make money online. This is my coaching, and also check out all the rest of the links in the description. And right now, let's just jump into the content of this video, how to make money online in 3 minutes or less. Let me share my screen with you and show you the website. The website is usertesting.com, and this is one of my favorite websites. I covered it on my channel a few times already. So this is a website that pays you to test different websites, different apps, different softwares. Think about different companies needing to test their newest creations, and you will be that tester. Okay, so on usertesting.com, we're gonna click right here where it says get paid to test. This will bring up this page, and all you have to do right here is enter your email, sign me up, and then they will be sending you jobs when they will be available. Okay, so as you can see, it says earn up to $60 per test, visit a website or an app, complete a set of tasks, speaking your thoughts out loud, and then get paid. And as you can see how it works, get $10 via PayPal for every 20-minute video you complete. User testing pays you to visit websites or apps, complete a set of tasks, and speak your thoughts out loud. So they've been covered on the New York Times, the Huffington Post, Lifehacker, Wall Street Journal. So they are 100% legit when it comes to making money and paying out. And as you can see, they are working with companies like Apple, Microsoft, eBay, Wikipedia, Yahoo, Dropbox, Evernote, Facebook, etc. Okay, so again, they are 100% legit. This works. All you have to do is sign up, and as you can see, they are paying out via PayPal. So this is a very cool to make money because you are getting paid instantly. The money is available. You can pay for something, or you can pay it out to your bank account. Totally up to you. Okay, so guys, this is my super short how to make money online in 3 minutes video today. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to this channel, click on the bell for notifications, and leave me a comment. And again, click on the first link in the description of this video. Please check out all the rest of the videos on this channel. I'm always recording tons of videos on making money online and working from home. This is part 3. I'm going to be uploading much more. So I will see you in the next video. Ciao.